So if I am naming it A, B, C. The question is this one. What is the angle of incidence of the ray at the surface AC and BC?
Sir, at AC 45 degree.
So angle of incidence at AC is equal to 45 degree. Okay, then angle of incidence at BC is equal to
0 degree.
Sir, BC 0 degree.
0 degree. That's right. Yeah, you understood that. It goes without a deviation means this angle between the ray and the surface BC is 90 degree. So you understand that angle of incidence at BC is 0 degree. Okay, that's it. Another question. This one is a rectangular glass slab ABCD. Okay, and a ray falls from the source P at Q. This angle is 42 degree. Given critical angle for the pair of media 42 degree. You have to complete the path of the ray until it comes out of the glass slab. So what I am doing is here you will find the angle of incidence. Light attempts to travel from a denser medium to rarer medium. So you will find this angle. That angle you will get, that is 48 degree. This 48 degree is greater than critical angle. Since this angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, total internal reflection takes place. So light rays will reach here. Okay. So this angle is what again, that will be 48 degree. You know that. And now the light ray reach on the surface CD. There light tries to travel from this denser medium to rarer medium. Okay, whenever light attempts to travel from denser medium to rarer medium, you have to find the angle of incidence. This angle of incidence, when you calculate, you will get that as 42 degree. So here this one is equal to critical angle. So what happens? If angle of incidence is equal to critical angle, ray grazes the surface. You have to show that. Don't forget to put arrow mark. So to get the mark in the examination, you have to show that arrowheads as well as this angle of incidence. Okay, you have done that. Very good. Another one. See this one. I am using a mirror here. This is a mirror, okay, ray will be reflected like this. Again I am using another mirror here. Mirror I am using. Plain mirror. And here also ray is reflected from here. I have kept the mirror such a way that it is inclined to 45 degree to the horizontal, but these mirrors are parallel to each other. Okay. My question.
Yes, sir.
The question is here. Instead of these mirrors, you must use total reflecting prism. Can you? Total reflecting prism means right angled isosceles prism. Right angled isosceles prism is called total reflecting prism. So these mirrors must be replaced by total reflecting prisms. How will you draw?
Sir, the value of critical angle is?
Glass prism critical angle is also is 42 degree. Yes, it is
Yes,
not.
sir.
Yes, very good. So that is correct only. Only one thing. If I have to replace it by prism, it is like this. This is not a mirror. I must make a prism. That's all. See this one. That's all. And here this one. Instead of this, light must be reflected. I will keep the prism like this. That's it. This is 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. And I told you that these isosceles both are equal. Let us go for next question. I can say like this. A ray of light is bent thrice as shown in the diagram. One prism will be like this. Okay. mention this angle is 90 degree and these two angles are equal. And next here the prism will be kept like this. This angle and this angle are equal. So the light will be bent thrice. Okay, very good. So shall I go for next question?
Sir, done.
Okay. You have got it. Yes, you understand. And this is correct only. This way it will go, because here you have to mention this angle. Anyway, you have to mention this angle. Okay, this angle is 42 degree. That is equal to critical angle, and it goes like this. That means it grazes the surface. Ray must go out also. Okay, good. Critical angle depends on wavelength. When wavelength increases, what happens to critical angle?
Sir, wavelength increases and critical decreases.
Wavelength increases, then critical angle?
Sir, decreases.
Hey, refer the book there. This beam of light consists of red plus green and let me say blue. Okay. Critical angle of the glass, or I will use of the material of prism for red color. You must understand, when color changes, critical angle changes. Red color is 45 degree. Draw the path of the rays. I hope you got the answer of the first question. When wavelength increases, critical angle, wavelength of light increases, critical angle increases. Okay, that is the knowledge. Okay, then do. So what he said is correct only. I have given critical angle for red light is 45 degrees, so it will be here, and it grazes the surface. So this will be red. Red will go like this. There is no doubt. Okay, this is red, and what will happen to green and blue? That will undergo total. Okay, that is correct. That will undergo total internal reflection. So here it will be, this will be green plus blue. And let me go for another question. This one is an isosceles, not isosceles, equilateral prism. Okay, and a ray of light falls here, normal to the surface. Copy and complete the path of the ray. Critical angle is equal to 42 degree. Light ray goes without deviation and will reach here. Sorry, this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. So from, because that is greater than critical angle, so total internal reflection takes place. So this will be like this. So this angle also will be 60 degree. You must mention these two angles. Okay, and it reaches here. When it reaches here, what will be this angle? That is this angle. Will it be 90? This is 60. This is already, you know, that 30. So this is 120 plus 30, 150. So remaining this will be 30. So quite natural this will be 90. So it goes without a deviation. So this is correct. Okay. So you must mention this angle 90 degree here and 60 degree you have to mention. Even if you did not mention this 30 degree, no problem. But we will check for this 60 degree. Okay. So one more question. Again regarding this equiangular prism only. Here another equiangular prism. points are equal. That means you understand this is 60 degree. Critical angle is equal to 60 degree and it falls here. Question is what is the angle of deviation? Angle of deviation of the ray. Show that angle.